Wacho ojiw mondo miyo rang yore mag rieyo makare sekta mar bodaboda makaluwore gi medruok e kwan mar buche mag tiyo ataro mar chik e sekta no. Jaod bura ma Kipkelion East Joseph Cherorot okwedo ahinya tim mar wang'o nyamburko e kinde mag yudo masira mag apaya ka gituomore kod joriemb apiko. Cherorot omedo ni jogo moyud gi ketho mar wang'o nyamburko go owinjore kawnegi okang' mager mar chik. Jakom mar bodaboda e kaunti ma Kericho Edwin Koros bende noseyo kweth njore mosedonjore e sekta mar bodaboda kendo rocho chenro mekgi.
Tunapomalizia ndio tukaribishe principal.
Why are we training these people? Tumeambiwa na base na wale wengine wametangulia because of road safety in our country. And another thing, I think what we are going to do more is to instill discipline kwa hawa watu wa bodaboda. This training is meant to equip these bodaboda people.
As bodaboda leaders and leadership, we want to condemn that act of burning down people's vehicles because of an accident that has just occurred. And it is a situation where we can sit, talk and agree on what has to happen.
Who is conducting this program, the driving school? Kindly consider my office, at least for a lesson before they pass out, before they graduate. I need to talk to them. There's the practical part on the road that is very, very vital and that is missing. On many occasions, watu wetu wa bodaboda wanatoroka baada ya ajali, not because wao ndio wamesababisha hii ajali, but the first thing at the back of their mind ni kwamba sina license, polisi watanipata, ndio. And on many occasions wanatulaumu pia kwamba tunawaonea kwa baada ya ajali kutokea, tuna rule in favor of mwenye gari. No, it's not. It is only that you are giving us the opportunity to listen to mwenye gari only kwa sababu umetoroka. Si ni kweli? So stay there. Be there. Hata kama umejificha kidogo, immediately my officers arrive. Be there to talk to us, tueleze vile ilitokea. Not all